Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of AI-powered tools designed to revolutionize your content scheduling. Whether you're a seasoned marketer in New York, a budding content creator in Berlin, or a digital strategist in Istanbul, efficient scheduling is crucial to your success. Imagine a world where your content calendar is effortlessly managed, freeing you up to focus on creativity. The challenge of juggling multiple platforms and time zones is real, but fear not. AI is here to streamline the process. Let's kick off with our first tool, Buffer. Buffer uses machine learning to analyze your audience engagement patterns and suggests the best times to post. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your followers better than you do. Perfect for those managing audiences from the USA to Singapore. Next up is Hootsuite. Known for its robust analytics, Hootsuite's AI capabilities predict your top-performing content and optimize posting schedules accordingly. It's a powerhouse for anyone looking to expand their reach in diverse markets like London and Zurich. For those who crave simplicity, MeetEdgar stands out. Its intuitive AI automates the resharing of evergreen content, ensuring your posts never go stale. Ideal for creators in fast-paced environments like Madrid or Dublin, where efficiency is key. Tailwind is another game changer, especially for visual platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. Its AI helps you schedule posts based on peak engagement times, perfect for capturing the vibrant audiences in Reykjavik and Geneva. And let's not forget CoSchedule. This tool integrates AI to provide a comprehensive overview of your content strategy. It helps you plan, promote, and execute campaigns with precision, making it a must-have for marketers in cosmopolitan hubs like Istanbul and New York. As we wrap up, remember that these tools are more than just software. They're your partners in achieving content excellence. Each one offers unique features tailored to different needs, so explore and find the right fit for your workflow. Ready to transform your scheduling game? Visit the links in the description to learn more about each tool. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on harnessing AI for your digital strategies. Empower your content, elevate your brand, and embrace the future of scheduling with AI. Until next time, keep creating and stay ahead of the curve.